Third time lucky from the Royal Mint. Now, for those of you that have been following the series along, you would have seen that this is actually the third time that I've tried to complete my Tudor Beast series. Every time they've sent me the coin, it's come in a non-screw capsule and the capsule has been loose. So the coin has opened up and it's got dust on it, and yeah, just really annoying. The whole series up until now, it's a 10 coin series. So every single coin, all 9 coins are in screw capsules except for the last one. Now, this is from the Royal Mint. I know that because I recognise the box and the return address on the other side, but it is very, very light. So when this arrived yesterday, I was thinking, has the actual whole coin been forgotten to be put in this time? And yeah, I thought I'll have to wait and set up the camera and unbox it in case that's the case, because yeah, really, really light. Too light to have the coin in there. But then before I had a chance to film today's video, this one turned up today. So as you can see, same box, also from the Royal Mint. And this one does have enough weight to be the coin. So I don't know what they've done, whether they've sent something out by mistake or something as an apology. I really don't know. So yeah, let's have a look today and find out together. But before we do that, I've actually brought something here to unpackage quickly. Now this was from eBay and there was only available in 2s. So we've got 2. But these should be, yeah, these are official screw capsules that I found someone selling on eBay. So I'm not going to bother sending it back. If they've got it wrong again and they haven't put it in a screw capsule, I'm just going to transfer it into a screw capsule and finalize this series, because I've had enough, if I'm honest, of making videos and being disappointed. I just want to complete this series and get it done. So let's start with the one that has enough weight to be the coin. And let's see if they have got it right on the final time of sending it. Here we go. Come on, Royal Mint. Third time lucky. The Royal Tudor Beast, the Royal Dragon 2026. Are we in a screw capsule, so I can finally complete this series and we can move on from this disaster of a final coin. Right, I've got the booklet there. I won't go through that because I've gone through it a couple of times already. Please have it in a screw capsule. Got number 1752. Oh, that's the first time I've been able to lift it up and it not come loose. So that is a very positive start. There is the Royal Dragon 2026. Looking nice. I will have to check it off camera, but it's looking all right. And I believe this is a screw capsule. Yes, it is. It's a screw capsule. Absolutely brilliant. So finally, we have a screw capsule to complete the series of the Tudor Beasts, 10 coin series. And I do genuinely feel really relieved that this has arrived in a screw capsule, because it would have been a shame to have to mess around with it and trying to transfer it into these. Bit of a shame I had to spend out on these. I think these cost me about £5 or £6. But yeah, I have those in the future if something like this ever happens again. But yeah, I can finally complete the Tudor Beast series with a coin that is in the same capsule as the rest of the series. And I honestly don't know why they changed it up on the last one in the first place. Why did they send out non-screw capsules when all of the other coins in the series had screw capsules? It doesn't really make any sense to me. And it wasn't just my coin. There are other people that reached out to me and told me that their coins had also arrived in capsules that had come loose when they turned up. So yeah, really nice to finally complete this series. And to finish today's video, let's see what the other box contains. Because, like I said, that arrived a day before this. and it is too light to have a coin in, so I don't know what they have sent here. It's got a letter. Oh, that's not a letter, no, that's an envelope, and it's got some packaging. I don't know what they've sent here. Maybe it's a letter saying, can you stop emailing customer services because they've got other things to do and you keep pestering them about your coin. They've actually sent a screw capsule. Can you believe it? So that's all it was. So they sent a screw capsule. I'm guessing they didn't even trust themselves to get it right. So they've sent me a screw capsule separately, but then they've actually sent the coin out in a screw capsule anyway. So I've ended up with a coin in a screw capsule, and not one, not two, but 3 screw capsules. So you couldn't make it up. I've gone from no screw capsules to 4 of them at the same time. So there we go. If anyone else wants one in the community that has picked up this coin, let me know. Obviously, I've only got 3 of them. But if you live in the UK, drop me a message, a private message on Stacker Social, and let me know if you want one. If you're happy with your coin in a non-screw capsule, if it doesn't bother you as much as it bothered me, then that's obviously absolutely fine. But if you want one, just reach out and I'll send you these free of charge. Just let me know your address and I'll get them out to you. But yeah, absolutely brilliant. Let me see if this one they've sent is actually a screw one. Imagine it's not. That would be quite funny, wouldn't it, to finish the video. Let's see. Yeah, it's a screw capsule. So they have sent an actual screw capsule as well, which is crazy really, because it's their way of almost expecting me to transfer this coin into the capsule when it's a proof coin, and really you shouldn't be messing around and taking the capsule off the coin in the first place. But there we go. We've got 3 screw capsules, another one if you include that, 4 screw capsules to finish today's video. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you to the Royal Mint for finally getting it right. I do appreciate it. Although it's been hassle, it is a nice relief and it is a nice feeling to be able to complete this series. I will do another video in a few days' time, adding this to the box with the others so we can really put a close and an ending to this series. But thanks so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Please like, hype and share the video if you enjoyed it. And I'll see you all in the next one.